Zavardy Official. Click here to subscribe. Hey guys, this is Zavardy, and this time another unboxing video that I'm going to show you. And this is the Canon Pixma MG2570 printer that is converted to CISS. So get ready and let's start. So to give you some idea to what CISS is, CISS stands for Continuous Ink System, and this method used for delivering large volumes of ink to an inkjet printhead. These systems typically use an external ink tank which is attached to the printhead cartridges, and using tubing like this in the picture. Upon unboxing this printer, please be careful on removing it so the ink won't spill. Actually, this product was tested already before we bought it. It has a printer manual and a CD printer installer. Just refer the manual for the detailed instruction. It has printer cables, This is a very affordable printer, and it comes with basic printing, copying, and scanning functions. So it's a big thumbs up. As what I have mentioned earlier, the tanks are placed beside the printer, and this is already converted to CISS. And using a continuous ink system also means you never have to replace your cartridges. You simply have to fill up the external ink tank. Take note that this printer is converted to CISS, and just neglect all the low ink warnings. we need need to clip the tubing so that it won't spill the cartridge when being traveled. To obtain good printing quality, use up ink within 6 months after opening. So this printer is an all-rounder for the price cost, as it can print and scan all your documents, pictures, and other files. It is a multi-color printer. I have several unboxing videos, please check it out on my playlist. And so far, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and comment down below. So these are the printouts from the printer, and let's take a look and review on each sheets. First is the photo paper. It's glossy and shiny prints. Using inkjet paper, the result was satisfying. The printouts were sharp and fine, unlike the ordinary paper. So, I would recommend to use inkjet photo paper or inkjet paper. Let's connect the cables. Just plug into the printer and the other side to the computer. Turn on. So let's gonna try the print head alignment. Insert one clean paper. And let's try scanning. Just wait a little time. And select to where you want your picture to be saved. There you go. This printer can photocopy. You can select if it's colored or black and white. Just press the black button if you like the black printouts, and colored if you like it colored. There you go. Oops, it flew away. This is perfect for students and teachers nowadays. So this printer that was converted to CISS can help your printing more efficient and cost effective because they allow you to bulk buy ink at lower cost than printer cartridges. And they say that users can save around 80 to 90% when compared to the original equipment. Thank you for watching! Hope you'd enjoy this video. If so, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.